Here's Mark, I'm Eva. Here's part 2 of our ride. Oh, fascinating. From the port of Salerno, which borders Naples, to Sorrento, which is our first stop on the Amalfi Coast tour. Fascinating. Seeing everything built on the hill. And buildings right here. And there's a bridge up above. And fascinating buildings. Some of them have the washout. The wash is drying. I love the colors, the pink, the darker pink, the darker red, yellow, just beautiful. And you've got the mountains right behind you. So how picturesque is that? And again, this is the port of Salerno. So come with us, even Mark. Let me take you all over the Amalfi Coast, the rest of Italy, US and the world to see everything beautiful, unique. There is the port. And exciting.
So Salerno is one of the access way to the Amalfi